Hey YouTube, it's Bernsey. I just picked a topic out of my hat today. I wanted to talk about whether you prefer using the gear shift or paddle shifters as your manual upshift and downshift option. I have a very strong preference to using the gear shift on my 2016 RT Road and Track. I just feel you have a much closer connection to the car. My first car and my second car were manual transmission cars, both being Dodge Neons. I had a 94 or 95 Dodge Neon, and then I had a 2002 Neon RT. And just from that experience, especially with the first to second gear shift being a pullback upshift, I just think the manual gear shifter has a much more intimate feel. So I was just curious to get your guys' updates or opinions on this. I like the paddle shifters. Don't get me wrong, I had them on my 2013 all-wheel drive RT and had a strong preference to those over the manual shifter, because the manual shifter on that was right to upshift and left to downshift, which in my opinion was a little goofy. Didn't really have a good feel for that, but the upshifting and downshifting on the new Chargers with the manual lever gear shifter, in my opinion, is far superior. So if you want to chime in, go nuts, but just want to get you guys' take. Thanks guys, have a good one.